Welcome to Echo English Vibes, where we transform your hesitation into confident speech through practical daily habits and proven language learning techniques. Have you ever told yourself that you will start practicing spoken English tomorrow instead of taking action right here and now today? If you answered yes, then listen carefully, because later is not a plan, but a place where your speaking dreams quietly vanish. Today, we reveal a 30-day roadmap that turns English from a silent mental concept into a language you actually speak fluently. Most learners do not fail because the language is difficult, but because they keep putting off the act of opening their mouths. Watching endless videos or saving tips will never make you fluent if you never actually produce sounds with your own vocal cords. Every single day you choose to stay silent, you are training your brain to become comfortable with the absence of active speech. Your English journey only begins to transform the very moment your mouth starts working to produce real sounds in the physical world. If you have ever said, "I will practice tomorrow," comment, "Start today," and commit to making a change in your life now. Simply opening your mouth is not enough, so we must explore the real first step to building your speaking muscles properly today. For the first 10 days, wake up your speaking muscles by spending 5 minutes every morning talking about your own daily life. Do not worry about perfect grammar, just focus on getting your voice out into the room during those quiet morning hours alone. Every evening, record yourself for 2 minutes, answering the question about what you did today to track your own progress over time. Listen to that recording carefully and identify just one specific thing you can improve upon for your next practice session tomorrow night. Do not be afraid of making mistakes, because what truly matters is simply getting your mouth moving and gaining essential speaking momentum. Confidence does not come before the action, but it is created through repeated effort and consistent practice throughout your language learning journey. As soon as this video ends, pick up your phone and record your very first 2-minute English recording right now today. Once your mouth becomes more comfortable speaking English, it is time to speed things up and sound much more natural than before. From day 11 to 20, use the shadowing technique to speak faster and more naturally by echoing the sounds you hear exactly. Shadowing is not just repeating words, but responding immediately like an echo to capture the rhythm and flow of native English speakers. Choose short and clear sentences about everyday topics that you can easily relate to your own personal experiences and daily habits today. Repeat them aloud and copy the speaker intonation perfectly before changing the sentences to fit your own life and unique personal style. Learn sentence patterns instead of memorizing isolated words, so you can build phrases that flow naturally during your real-life English conversations. Gradually turn off the subtitles, so your ears and your mouth learn to work together without relying on written text for support. Choose 5 English sentences you love today and spend 10 minutes shadowing them to improve your fluency and your natural speaking rhythm. Practicing alone is definitely a great start, but the real challenge begins when someone else is waiting for your answer right now. From day 21 to 30, try to have a 10-minute conversation in English every single day to test your skills. It does not have to be with a native speaker, because talking to another learner or sending voice messages is enough practice. Always follow this simple formula of answering, adding one detail, and asking back to keep the conversation moving forward with great ease. Learn a few thinking time expressions like, "Give me a second," or "Let me think," to help you stay calm during conversations. Do not try to impress people with complicated English, because simple English that you can actually speak is always much better today. This week, have at least one conversation in English and share your experience in the comments below to inspire your fellow learners. After 30 days, the biggest change will not be your vocabulary, but it will be you and your newfound speaking confidence levels. The real goal is to build a speaking habit rather than focusing on perfection, because consistency is the key to your success. 30 days will not make you a perfect English speaker, but they will make you someone who is no longer afraid now. The most important rule is no 0 days, so even if you only speak one sentence, do not skip a single day. Every time you speak, you are creating proof that you are improving and moving closer to your goal of being fluent today. The regret of staying silent is always greater than the fear of making mistakes while you are learning to speak English fluently. Right after this video, answer this question: why do I want to speak English? And think about your deep personal motivation now. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes and save it as day 1 of your journey, because you have started your path today. If this video helped you realize that you just need more practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next real-world speaking reflex training videos designed for your daily improvement. Remember that English does not become fluent while you wait, but it becomes fluent when you open your mouth every single day. Do not say later, because the best time to start your speaking journey is right now, in this very moment today, friend. We will practice together one sentence, one voice recording, and one conversation at a time until English truly becomes your own voice. Your voice deserves to be heard, and your English will grow stronger as you commit to this daily practice routine starting today. Every word you speak aloud builds a bridge between your thoughts and the world, making your communication skills sharper and more effective. Celebrate every small win you achieve during these 30 days, because every single attempt is a step forward toward your ultimate goal. The sun rises on a new opportunity to improve your English skills, so grab it with both hands and make it count today. Success is not a destination, but a journey of daily habits that lead you to speak with clarity and confidence every single time. You are capable of more than you think, and your English will reflect your dedication as you continue to practice every day. Keep pushing forward, and never lose sight of why you started, because your dream of speaking fluent English is within your reach. Consistency is the fuel that drives your progress and keeps you moving toward the level of fluency you desire for your future. Immerse yourself in the sounds of the language, and let your mouth follow the rhythm of the words you hear every single day. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth, and practice speaking with them to build your confidence and your language skills together. Believe in your ability to learn and transform your life through the power of consistent action and dedicated daily English-speaking practice sessions. Track your progress and acknowledge how far you have come, because each day is a victory in your journey to fluent English. Read aloud to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary, while building the muscle memory needed to speak English naturally and with great ease. The sky is the limit when it comes to your potential, and your English journey is just beginning to unfold right before you. Integrate English into your daily life in ways that feel natural and enjoyable, so you can stay motivated throughout your language learning journey. Connect with others and share your story in English, because communication is the bridge that brings us all closer together in life. Time is your most valuable resource, so use it wisely to invest in yourself and your future by practicing your English skills daily. Be kind to yourself as you learn and grow, because you are doing a great job and your efforts will surely pay off. Expand your horizon with every word you learn, and keep building your foundation until you can speak English with total ease today. You are a champion of your own progress, and the journey you have taken is proof of your incredible potential and hard work. Stay focused on your goals and continue to practice every day until you reach the level of mastery that you truly desire. Thank you for joining us on this journey at Echo English Vibes, and we hope to see you in our next video soon.